we're going to do some family adventures by choosing a challenge out of the Adventure Challenge jar. We have added some adventures and more will be added along the way. Mummy, pick one out.
Going deep. Okay, first challenge to complete in 4 different ways is campfire cooking.
Turns out smoke follows cameras as well, look. That's it. Oh, let's go. That's alright, just let it go for a bit now.
Don't burn.
Looking good, that fire's looking good.
This is my campfire cooking. I am making marshmallows.
Look, I'm going to do it this side. It's better. Daddy, look. Oh dear.
How do they taste, Erin?
No idea.
Invincible job.
Exactly.
So that's all itself. It's like all in.
Oh, I reckon that's perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah, that's a perfectly warm pasty.
I guess the beauty of that is it's top and bottom, isn't it?
Nice.
Is it hot in the middle?
Yeah.
Not really.
No.
Right, a bit longer, a bit longer.
Bit longer.
Structurally.
Structurally now it's unsound.
Now I have to be very careful.
My stick's on fire. You nearly said the swear word.
Marshmallows.
You nearly said the swear word.
Pardon?
You nearly said the swear word.
I nearly did. Hello.
Morning, you.
Good morning. I slept very well. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. What's that?
This is my campfire cooking for the challenge. We'll put the recipe for it in the comment section below.
What are you making?
I'm making pancakes and we're going to cook it on the fire.
Scotch pancakes.
Where is it? I nearly dropped that. Gosh, Daddy.
But we're still waiting.
Squishing that back now.
Mummy, chocolate orange can be yours.
I've got an air filter. So candid. Okay, today I'm making banana bread, so I've melted 115 grams of butter in the small Dutch oven, and I'm going to add my dry mix here, which is 115 grams of nuts, 245 grams of wholemeal flour, 125 grams of sugar, either brown or granulated, doesn't really matter, about a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, or a bit more if you like it, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that's what's going into the melted butter. Now, I'm doing this into a small Dutch oven because it's easier for me to cook it. I'm just going to give that a quick stir around. It is quite a chunky mix, so you don't have to get it too smooth, and just don't worry about it. This is the wet ingredients. This is 3 mashed bananas, obviously really ripe, it's really good, and 2 eggs. And I've just mashed it up into the bag just to actually save on mess when you're out camping. That's kind of good. And then that's it. And then this is going to bake on the hot coals for about 2 hours. I put the hot coals underneath the first Dutch oven, and the second Dutch oven is going in without the lid, so it looks like that. And then this, the big Dutch oven lid, is going over the top to act as the oven itself, and then we're just going to place hot coals on top. Now you need to change the hot coals, well, every 45 minutes ish, something like that. So it is one of those things that needs a little bit of keeping an eye on, but not too much really. So it's just about having a nice equal temperature kind of going across the bottom and across the top.
So my reflector oven and plan has not worked. Cooking just rolled croissants, they just turned into mush. They were no good at all. So I've gone for the very, very complicated warming sausage rolls in the reflector oven as my cooking challenge. And I'll have to come back and look at the croissants as a different option because it just didn't really work in the reflector oven. So onwards and upwards, hot sausage rolls in the reflector oven.
Okay, so I'm just scraping off the coals from the top of the pan, ready for the grandma wheel. There. So there's the cake. It's overdone a little bit because I wasn't monitoring it as well as I should have been.
That's hot.
Have gloves please to turn it out.
If in doubt, custard.
If in doubt, let's custard it out.
Was that meant to rhyme?
Yeah.
Can we eat some?
It's a little bit burnt, a little bit overdone.
Can I have the first
Could have done with a
one?
little bit less time. Sometimes when you're doing it with charcoal, it doesn't go quite as bad.
Looks
And
amazing.
that is the